Hello, I've just walked to another location. I'm in Porto. Look at the size of these waves. I'm right by this edge, and the waves will come smashing up here in a minute. You watch. We might even get soaked. So there's some big waves coming and going. Here comes a big one now. Let's see if we get soaked. It's coming towards me. Nah, that wasn't a big one, that one. But as you can see, it's all wet along here, so you get the odd big one. So we might get soaked. Whoa! Wow! Oh! Oh, mate, we just got absolutely soaked. Oh, dear. Oh, I hope you enjoyed that. That was funny. I didn't expect that. Oh. So there you go, I just got soaked. Got caught out there by the wave. I thought it was going to miss me. Whoa. So this is quite a fun spot if you want to get soaked by some waves. It's just by El Peñón, the stadium. Here comes another one. Whoa! That one just missed me. So this is good fun if you like this sort of thing. I thought I'd film it. They're very big, some of these. I mean, look at this one coming in now towards me. Look at that one. Let's see what that one does. Some of them break up quickly and some of them just come smashing into these boulders. I got caught out big time there, didn't I? Earlier. So I hope you like this. This is part 2 of the waves. I guess it's too dangerous to surf here. But they do come smashing in, don't they? Here comes another one. No. Oh.